guys, welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my new phone. Yes, my brand new iPhone. In no means is this video for any bragging purposes. It simply became available to me to purchase this phone, so I decided to proceed and go with it. And I did a video similar like this a few weeks back, or a few days ago, I would say, maybe like 4 or 5 days ago. It depends when I drop this video. But I was unboxing my mom's new iPhone 13 Pro. In that video, she got the Sierra Blue, very, very beautiful, but that's not the color I personally chose. I'm more of a gold kind of girl. And you guys seem to like that video, so I was like, let me go ahead and show you guys my new iPhone. So I'm very, very excited. In that other video, I only showed you guys what it looked like. I didn't really show you inside of the phone, but in today's video, I will be showing you inside of my phone. So let's go ahead and get started. Right before we get started, if you guys could please like, comment, and subscribe because we're on a road to 5K. Let's get it. So here is my new iPhone. Very, very exciting. I already put a case on it, and then I also put the screen protector because in my old phone, I didn't do it that way, and my other phone had cracked, which initially means that when you turn it in, they're gonna give you less money for it. So I learned my lesson, and I immediately put a case and everything on it. Now, I got the color gold. You can kind of tell it's a very, very beautiful color. And the iPhone 13 Pro, which is the one I personally also got, does have 3 cameras, which I think the iPhone 13 only has 2. I got the Pro because I record off my camera. I record off my iPhone camera. So this is something that I'm constantly using and something that I basically use for work because YouTube has become another source of income for me. So it was important that I had a good quality camera, good quality phone. I don't always upgrade, but I just felt like, wow, this is a really good offer. Let me take advantage of the opportunity and do it. Now, I put one of those really, really cute aesthetic backgrounds to my phone. So on my other phone, I had like a picture of me and my niece. And this one, it's like a little pink screen, has a butterfly, and says, self-love first, babe, self-love first, okay? Because that's a very important reminder. Self-love always, okay? Spoil yourself, take yourself out, take care of yourself, always put you first, because if not, no one else is going to. So I set up quite a few features on my phone already, not the whole thing, but quite a few. I've never had done face unlock, like unlock with your face. So I did that feature, which is really, really cool. So all I gotta do is put my phone and then boom, it unlocks. So when you swipe up, that's the first thing on my phone. I have everything kind of like in those little boxes. I don't like to have apps all over my phone. And in the bottom, I have the camera feature. And then I have like my, a little box with my messages, the WhatsApp messages, the phone calls, the App Store, Safari, things that I use quite often. And then in the other box, because I only use 3 of the little boxes in the bottom, in that other box, we have the mail, the notes, the weather, the clock, you know, things that you use, but not every second, you know. Now up here, I labeled everything. You know, I put the school in a little square, music in another little square. The only application, honestly, that's not in a little box is the Petco app, which is for my dog, for my husky Luna, but I have to put it in one of those boxes. Now, I do want to make my phone have that aesthetic. I think you guys probably have seen it before. This was like a trend a while ago where everything is like picture-wise. So for example, the YouTube app can technically be a picture of my dog, and it's just like those really cute aesthetic. I think you have to download like Widget Wall or Widget Ball or something like that, Widget Spin, and that's how you do that. So I'm gonna look into that, and then I'll show you guys once I have it all completed. But for now, this is just how it looks. Now let's get into some of the features that the iPhone 13 Pro carries. So I'm gonna start off with the first one because this was honestly one of the biggest reasons as to why I got this phone, was because if you click the camera option, this is what you have, right? Oh, so obviously you just see my face right there. So you have that option, and then you also have the video option, okay? And all these, you can honestly use like a 0.5, 1x, or 3, so you have different frames that you can use, but it comes with this cinematic option, okay? And the cinematic option, basically what it does for you is that it blurs out the background. So I figured, like I said, since I use a lot of my cameras on my phones to record videos. I want a good quality camera. I want a good quality phone because I don't have a camera. I'm not gonna go buy a camera when I can do the same thing off my iPhone. I mean, in the future I will, but for now I'm really trying to postpone it because I don't know how to use, you know, a camera. Oh, I'm getting a phone call, guys. So let me see. Hello? I'm recording a video. No. Oh, okay. No, I can't go. I have to go to work in a little bit. Yeah. Okay. I'll see you when you get here then. Yeah. I made cute. I bought like a while back the little fruit snacks like for the trick or treat, so you don't really have to buy candy for the trick or treaters this year. Okay, I made like little treat bags. I put like a pencil, a sticker, and a fruit snack in it. So it's in my room. Yeah. All right. I'll see you later then. All right. Love you. Bye. All right. So, like I was saying, it has that really good cinematic option. I figured it would be really good for a camera because it blurs out the background. Right now, I'm not filming off, obviously, this phone. I'm filming off my old phone. So the quality, I'm sure you guys can't see it. But as I start doing more videos, you guys will be able to see it. Then, obviously, it has the other options that I think most phones come with. The slow-mo option, the time-lapse. And it has there, like, I don't know if you guys can see, the 0.5, 1, and 3. So you can honestly pick your frame. I'm pretty sure that's for your frame. You also have the panorama option. Now, everything is just like clearer on this phone. Like, I don't know, if I go to like messages, everything is just so much clearer. If you go to settings, I'm not done yet setting it up. That's why it says more information about your iPhone, and I still have 3 right there because I have to finish setting up if I want to do like Apple TV, setting up Siri, which I've never done these things. I'm not tech savvy, so I didn't have any of these things on my 12, but on my 13, I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna get it because I need to get in up to today's date. You know what I'm saying? Like I've been lacking for too long. Let's see. So honestly, I feel like most of these things contain, you know, the same information that maybe the 12 or the 11 did. Everything's kind of like similar, but it's just faster and more clear. I have more storage in this phone, so you can actually select the option of how many gigabytes you want your phone. I selected 256. On my other phone, I had 64, so the difference is really big. Essentially, because I'm allowing more storage on this phone, everything's quicker. So if I download Instagram right now, it's going to download like this. I know, you guys are probably like, don't you already have Instagram? I do, but I just delete it sometimes because it's just so toxic and I don't want my head around that stuff. I have too much things to do to be in that toxicity because for some reason, every time I look at social media, I just get brought down and I don't want to be depressed, bro. I don't want to be depressed. Let's see. So that's basically it. I have all the same applications that I did on my other phone. A lot of people say this phone is a little heavier because they put like a specific battery in here. If you read up on it, you'll understand what I'm saying. But essentially, the battery life on this iPhone is better. So it's going to get you through the whole day without having to charge your phone, or so they say. I'm not sure how often y'all use your phone. I'm not a person who has to charge my phone a lot because, like I said, I only really use it for the YouTube, you know, concept of the phone. I honestly really just use it to edit my YouTube videos and that's it. Make phone calls, send text messages. I'm not sitting on social media all day. So that's really up to y'all. I mean, I do my videos, I record on it, so maybe that's why. But if you guys don't do that, it should last you for maybe 2 days because that's what it says when you read up on it. It says it will get you up to that second day, and that's why it's heavier because the battery lasts very, very long. Another really, really cool thing that I saw on this iPhone, I'm not sure if it's the 13 and the 13 Pro. I didn't see this feature on the 12, so maybe it's something, you know, that only the new ones carry. If you go to WhatsApp, I have WhatsApp. I'm sure a lot of you guys have it. You can go to your status, okay? So if I wanna make a status right there, I can go ahead and click the pencil, you know, like if I wanna write something, right? And that's going to pop up, right? It's telling me to type a status. And I click down on it and it gives you that little option right there, which is like a little square. And if you click on that, it opens half the screen. You can show your face, and essentially what that's going to do is read your lips, and it's going to type out whatever your lips say. So I'm assuming this is for people who maybe can't be typing it, don't know how to type. You just sit here and put, I'm almost home, and it's going to type, I'm almost home. So I thought that was really cool. I only saw that feature on WhatsApp though. I didn't see it on the regular messages, but it might be there because I'm not entirely sure how to be super tech savvy with these things. Personally, me, I find this as a cool feature, but I don't think it's something I would really use a lot because I just type what it is that I need to say. And, you know, holding your phone right there, obviously if you're driving and stuff like that, can be a little dangerous. But for people who can't be typing, I know this is going to be super beneficial to them. So it's really cool to see that Apple is not only targeting, you know, the same kind of audience. Like they're making certain features be available to people who maybe can't type or who can't hear, or who can't, you know, they're helping other people out. So that's warm, you know, to know that they're doing that. So with that being said, I'm just gonna go ahead and conclude today's video. I'm gonna go do some research more about this phone because I want to see what other cool features it has. Like I said, I don't think that this phone does a million more things than the other ones do, especially if you have like the 11 or 12. I think I could have perfectly stayed with my 11 or 12. But like I said in the beginning of the video, when I switched carriers, this like amazing deal became available to me. And it was like almost impossible to say no. And then it was a deal that became available to me now and available to me like in 2 more years. So like you signed something. It was like this really, really good thing. And I had to switch over carriers and I just was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and do it. And it was cool. And I felt, you know, really excited that I was able to purchase the new iPhone because I've been working a lot and stuff like that. But I don't think it's like a necessity. I don't think it's going to do all these amazing things that the 12 can't do, or, you know, if you have the 11 or something like that. So it's really just up to you. But with that being said, I'm just going to go ahead and conclude today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all soon. Bye.